Hello everyone, I'm Victor. One of the most common diseases with increasing prevalence today is diabetes. According to statistics from the International Diabetes Association, an estimated 537 million adults worldwide are living with diabetes. Accordingly, 1 in 11 adults will develop diabetes in their lifetime. So what is diabetes and how can it be controlled safely and effectively? Today, I make this video specifically to share with everyone the best nutritional therapy to help support diabetes treatment, which is currently being applied by many patients around the world and has proven to be highly effective. This is the high-tech diabetes colostrum nutrition therapy, gluferline. Diabetes is a chronic disease, but if not properly controlled in time, can cause life-threatening complications such as kidney failure, high blood pressure, heart attacks, stroke, and even death. According to global statistics, diabetes is one of the 3 leading causes of death in the world after cardiovascular disease and cancer. Diabetes is a metabolic disorder in the blood sugar. It's a chronic disease that causes an inability of the body to metabolize sugar. There are 2 main reasons. The pancreas does not produce enough insulin, and the cells in the body are resistant to that insulin. From there are 3 main types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and gestational diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is a condition causing the pancreas to not produce enough insulin, which means sugar from food not being absorbed and metabolized by the body, leading to stagnation of the blood. People with type 1 diabetes are usually children and are often quite rare. The main cause of type 1 diabetes are genetic factors. Type 2 diabetes is a condition in which the body can still produce insulin, but the cells are resistant to it. So instead of transporting sugar to the cells for energy, the sugar builds up in the blood. Currently, about 90 to 95% of people with diabetes in the world are type 2. The main cause of type 2 diabetes is often improper nutrition, being overweight, or obesity. Gestational diabetes is a blood sugar disorder in women during pregnancy. Women who have had gestational diabetes during pregnancy have an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes after the pregnancy ends. Nowadays, to control diabetes, there are the following kinds of methods. The first is acute control with the use of Western medicine to lower blood sugar quickly, or direct insulin injection. But these only solve the external problems, slowing down the duration of complications. It doesn't solve the root cause of the disease. And especially, it cannot be used over a long period of time because of the many side effects and risks of complications that are extremely dangerous to health. The second is the method of controlling by using functional foods from natural herbs to control diabetes in short bursts. This method is safer and more benign than using Western medicine. However, it's not a method that can be used in the long term because it does not meet the nutritional needs of the patient and does not help solve the problem and get to the root of the disease. For diabetics who only use these methods of supplements without focusing on comprehensive nutrition, the body will gradually become deficient and unable to recover. From there, it's easy to develop other underlying diseases that can cause other dangerous complications. The last method, which is also the most appreciated method today, is the intensive control method with comprehensive combined nutrition therapy. That's a kind of combining conventional diabetes control measures with high-tech dairy-intensive nutrition therapy for patients. This method will have a comprehensive effect, both helping to supplement the intensive nutrients that people with diabetes lack, restore and regenerate damaged organs, especially the pancreas, and have a controlling effect, controlling blood sugar, thereby preventing dangerous complications of the disease. It's currently the most optimal method to address the root cause of diabetes and has also been recommended to apply in many large hospitals around the world. For this method of intensive control, the best therapy today is using high-tech diabetic colostrum gluferline. This is a high-tech diabetic colostrum extracted from American ginseng and saffron, the only product capable of controlling diabetes on the cellular level. as it is a special milk that uses cell energy induction technology. Gluferline is a product researched by leading medical experts in the world and appreciated by thousands of users. Firstly, gluferline contains the main ingredients from American ginseng and saffron. We know that American ginseng is one of the rarest and most advanced ginsengs in the world, with a high content of saponin and panaquilon, active ingredients which have the ability to strongly stimulate the pancreas to produce insulin and enhance sugar metabolism in the body. Meanwhile, the content of crocin and quercetin present in each stand of saffron has high antioxidant capacity. They help fight inflammation and prevent cell damage in the body, regenerate cells, prevent cell death, and insulin-resistant cells. Secondly, high-tech diabetic colostrum gluferline is the first dairy product in the world to successfully apply cell energy induction technology combined with America's leading phytosome technology. It's capable of controlling diabetes from the cellular level and address the root cause of diabetes. Thanks to the successful application of cell energy induction technology to extract the precious active ingredients found in saffron, the precious active ingredients are penetrated deeply with restoring and regenerating the cells, helping to increase cell growth. Helping cells to absorb insulin again solves the root cause of type 2 diabetes. Meanwhile, America's leading phytosome technology helps to increase bioavailability effectively of saponin active ingredients in American ginseng. It affects the pancreas, restoring pancreatic function to strongly stimulate the production of natural insulin, the main cause of type 1 diabetes. In addition, it contains an abundant source of colostrum with high natural antibody content and a perfect milk formula with 100% whey protein and abundant amino acids. It also contains minerals along with 28 multivitamins to help nourish the body comprehensively, improve resistance, provide adequate and balanced nutritional, and make up for nutritional deficiencies during the patient's abstinence. It thereby prevents dangerous complications from diabetes. High-tech diabetic colostrum gluferline is a great step forward to supporting the treatment of diabetes in the world and is the pride of American medical technology. It's a product that is highly appreciated by many leading experts in nutrition and diabetes for its quality and effectiveness in diabetes control and has been trusted by many patients. Currently, high-tech diabetic colostrum gluferline is also an intensive nutritional product that has been trusted by our doctors at major hospitals around the world to apply in combination for diabetics. This product has opened a new door for diabetics to live a healthy life without worrying about dangerous complications later on. It's the #1 specialized product for people with diabetes, trusted by millions of patients around the world due to its effectiveness, absolute safety, and health benefits for users. High-tech diabetic colostrum gluferline is currently the best diabetic milk nutrition therapy in the world, suitable for all conditions of diabetic patients. Anyone can use it, people with type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and gestational diabetes. If you have symptoms such as frequent urination at night, high blood sugar, appetite gain, thirst, weakened eyesight, numbness in hands and feet, with these causes, using high-tech diabetic colostrum gluferline, you will feel the blood sugar index, that your blood pressure is stable every day, the body is healthy and refreshed thanks to these supplements. With the addition of intensive nutrition, the symptoms of the disease are also reduced rapidly. From there, the body will be completely healed and will be rid of dangerous complications of the disease. As an expert, I advise those who are suffering from diabetes to use high-tech diabetic colostrum gluferline early to control the blood sugar, improve health, and prevent diabetes complications. Especially in the current complicated COVID situation, we should be supplementing to strengthen the body's resistance. And finally, I also recommend that people with diabetes understand the root cause of the disease and avoid the cases of mistreatment. You must understand what exactly your disease is, what we need, and what we lack. And when using high-tech diabetic colostrum gluferline, you need to be patient, use it correctly and enough times. Most of all, you must follow a healthy lifestyle for long-term health. And glurfolane is the most effective treatment and has been trusted by many users around the world as their choice to use.